It's bling bling time, and it's definitely for my horse lovers and those that love mirrors. I've got a DIY for you, and if you'd like to see how I made this, please keep watching this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button to be a part of this dream. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl SJ here, and for this project we're going to use the Dollar Tree mirror along with a glue gun, or you can use the E6000. You see this horse right here? Got it from the Dollar Tree, painted it silver, got some bling, and then that dream sign that I picked up out of Joann's. We're going to put all these things together and make our project. Flip the dream sign over to the back and put your hot glue on it, and then you want to flip it over and secure it to the upper portion of the mirror. Then you're going to take the horse and glue it on all on one side with the hot glue gun, and then put it on the mirror. Take your bling wrap and match it to the sides of the mirror so that it will cover the sides, and then glue it down. You're going to do this for all four sides. And if you made it to the end of this video, you are now looking at the completed wall plaque. The one with the horse. You gotta love horses. They're so cute. And this with the silver one made it awesome. So yeah, thanks for stopping by the channel. Please make sure you comment below and hit me up in the DMs on the Snapchat. Say hi to me. And let me know if you have any other design ideas. But please like this video.